guys, now we're coming with Ice Dragon Gamer. So now we're gonna review this guy. It's the Justice Gundam. Yeah, I think from Japan. So I make it like this now. Like I'm gonna finish it in a few hours. Look at me. The light, I think. I forgot to open the light. I believe it's dark. So here, let's do this again. So let's see you in the next step. Okay guys, this is the tools that we need. No, we need sandpaper, ink sandpaper. Wait. So this Kim. Here you go. Second, we are going to look at the instruction. So this is number 6, guys. You need C6 and C8, guys. Done. C6 and C8. So let's see what is that. Is B and where is it? Oh, here. Here is a C6 and C6 and C8 over here. So we're gonna use the Kim to cut it out, or you can use cutter. This is no painting, so I think you don't need to painting. Have the Kim like this. Oh, this guy, you see. So we're gonna cut it out. Guys, when you cut it, if its side will be like this, you're gonna use this side into like this, guys. This side into like this. So we're gonna cut it out slowly. Okay, this one. So guys, we got 2 of it. See here. So you're gonna see here. So use the Kim to cut it out. Again, carefully cut it out. Mother, don't look at me. Okay, when you use cutter, cut it out. If you make it better, you need to use sandpaper to do it. Ooh, beautiful. Next one, do like that too. So we got 2 of it. Hey guys, and got 2 of it, yeah, and just make it together. Wait. So guys, this is not mine. So my friends or my father friends gave me to make it. So I just made it at his house. It's like a farm. Sorry that I don't have a picture. So sorry guys that I didn't upload videos so long because I don't know what I do. Sorry. So you see the hole here, you need to put it inside carefully. Wait. So guys, the tricks that you make it hole inside carefully, you need some books. So this is my book I learned at Sarsas with Tunbury. I told you it. Put it together like a sandwich, and hope it's good. No, not. So we don't need it. Okay guys, and go here. Nothing else. So when we got this, and next thing that we need is B37 and B38. So let's see, where's B? This A, no. This B, okay. Use the key again. Wait, I forgot 37, 38. Okay, so over here, do like same thing. Some gunpla you need tools to. So if you want to make the sandpaper look, not sandpaper. If you want to make the gunpla looks shiny, you can use the sandpaper to, like, see over here, yeah, over here, and you can use the sandpaper to make it shiny, like this, and it will become more shiny. So I like that trick. Eating kebab. Wait. Yummy kebab. I'm going to pause. Okay guys. Next. Wait. Wait. Good. Next guys. Over here. So you got 2 pieces of it. Make it more shiny. Do not forget. Next we are gonna we need B34 and B30. Wait, where's B? Where is it? Oh, I saw it. So guys, you have the question, what is part of this? It's the arms. You didn't see my face because it's the light. Oh, I think I'm tired. I would like to. Over here is this. Come on, guys. Oh, like this. Okay, guys. Next we got this. Wait. Okay, guys. Next we got this piece of this. I think like this gonna be better. Wait. So guys, we got like this. So we need this. It's on the B38 and we got this. It's beautiful. Use the sandpaper. Oh, shit. What? Oops. Next, we'll put it. Let's say I mean PCE, so you need to wiring this part because it's too small. Why can't you make too small? Next, PCN. Okay guys, I got very little PC and I have more little, like, I think camera gonna see. So small. It's a little super small. Wow, it's only gonna be like this. And next is PC hash. Gonna be your bread. Just see what I mean. So we need to put it together. We need B34 in this, in like this, and we need PC in E, PCE, so small. And too boring, guys, you need to be super warning, super careful. Sorry that I used the wrong words. And put it together. You got like this. Got like this. And it looks like a lollipop. Looks like the lollipop. Next, got like this, and you see here, guys, and just two part. Wait, okay, what? And next we are gonna make it together in, oh wait, this is too hard. It's hard. And you need to do it inside like this, together. Got like this, and see this, guys, and put it like this. Put another one over here. It's hard, yeah. Why English people call the gravity in gravity? Gravity? This means gravity in American. I think gravity is better. Yeah. Laughing. Laughing. Next we need B16 and B17. There's B. There's over here. So we're gonna cut it. Nothing, guys. My aunt just, no, not my aunt. My grandmother just watching television. It's the old television. So and we got it Right here. Use the sandpaper again. I forgot how to use this. Yeah. Who is this side in the white? I'm not stupid, but I didn't know. I didn't make gunpla before. And PCN and yes, just PCN. Small thing. What is it? PCN. Oh, these guys, yeah. See, this guy, you just spin it, and you get it. Then we don't need the cutter. We don't need the key. Why this guy named Kim? I don't know. Like it's cutter like this, Kim like this. Why this guy don't call cutter? Because they can cut these guys. I don't know. Next guys. So we're put it together like this. So we put it inside, and we got like this. Next we need A7 and B39. Where's A7. So guys, you look at the gunpla hand. See like this, and another side. What? So, look this, and like this. Wait, what? It's beautiful in another way. I think it's beautiful a little bit. So we got it. And where? And I forgot the B39. Where's B? Okay. There's 39. Sandpaper again. We need so we need to put this in together first. So see over here, and these two guys, and See the little hole here? I think you're gonna see it, and it's have locker over here. Okay, and put it together like this. Okay, we got it. The hands. Next, we're gonna use the. Oh, it's not rope. Wait, what? Nothing. Next, we have this and this, guys. And like this, and put the hand together inside like this. You got it. Next, we need B41. Where's it? Let's try. Sandpaper. Heart that we need to fight, and A31. Sandpaper again. This is the longest video that I made, I think. We got it all and let's put it together in here. This inside. Put it inside like this. And we have this one. And put this one together like this. Okay, and put it together. Wrong side, wrong side, wrong side. Right, that's right. And put it together like this. This. You got it and put it like this inside. And we got it got it, the body of it. This guy is very hard, so I'm gonna make it very small. Got it like this, and we need one very super infinity small. Put it inside. Gonna pause. Hey guys, next we got one of no flies, and next we gonna do the leg. So next we gonna put the hands out. Wrong way. So we got a gun. Got it. Like this. Let's go. Next. Next, guys. Oh, is that too loud? It. Oh, yes. Oh, I think see you guys later.